My Small Business Vision, created by MJ Reed for BTTM 3020. For this project, I'm using a small company as my example. This is a pig tracking company. Pipeline pigs are devices that are put inside pipelines and they flow with the oil. They're used to inspect and clean pipelines. So there's some scraper tools that scrape the sides, which collect the waxes and sediment that build up on the inside. There are inspection tools which use X-rays and other types of radiation or specialized photography systems to inspect the pipeline walls. In this way, the pipeline company is able to proactively take on potential weaknesses or faults in the pipe wall. There's also biocide pigs, which use an antibiotic type of chemical because there's some bacteria that survive on those waxes that collect in the walls and on the oil themselves. And it's very important to keep those populations very low. When these pigs are in the system, they have to be tracked. It's very important for control centers to know where the pigs are. To do that, these companies hire pig trackers. These are small companies that physically follow the pigs through the pipelines, use expensive detectors to find out where they are, and then report the location to the control center. It's very dangerous and difficult work. These pipeline right-of-ways are often in very remote locations, and it's not always easy and sometimes barely reasonable to expect somebody to be able to track a pig through a pipeline as it's going through people's backyards or a farmer's field. So my vision for this company is to create a highly motivated workforce whose efficiency, expertise, and technology continuously brings in business and outperforms its competitors. And the way we intend on doing this is through innovation. By continuously researching and providing customers with accurate and detailed information with new and creative technologies, we will be outdoing the rest of the industry by providing higher quality information. The other priority is going to be efficiency, which will provide superior service at a lower cost to customers, simply by being a leaner, more efficient company. So the first strategy for innovation is my own invention, my own idea. And it's to use small, inexpensive ultrasonic transmitters to track pigs. There are some pipelines in the Enbridge system, for example, that every single batch of product that goes through them has to be pigged. And this means that there can be anywhere between 7 to 12 pigs in the pipeline at a single time. And each of those needs 2 pig trackers to follow it. Now, in pipelines with a lot of pig traffic, it would make sense to place transmitters every mile or so on the pipeline that would be able to send information to the pig tracking company remotely. What this would accomplish is it would give the control center a better idea of where the pigs are. More reliable information more frequently and safer for the workers. Strategy number 2 is to maintain a lean workforce. Because of strategy number 1, we would require fewer employees that would have to work less overtime. A flat management structure would be okay because we would be managing far less employees. Safer working conditions for employees can only mean a more profitable business. And this transmitter idea from strategy number 1 would optimize work time, which works with strategy number 2. So together, those 2 strategies will work to reduce costs, provide a higher quality service, provide a safer working environment for employees, and provide a much more frequent and precise update for the control centers. Thank you for listening to my presentation. And that's all I had for the presentation number 2. Thank you.